Hey friends, it's Amy Dove, the Keto Queen. I hope you're having a great day. It's Tuesday night. We're home from work and we're making another new recipe. Guys, I've got so many new recipes to be adding to the blog. I have not had a chance yet to put them there, but last week we made so many new dishes. This week we're actually making a variation of the smash burger, but we're gonna make a chicken Caesar smash burger. So I'm super excited to try this for the first time. As you guys are jumping on, let me know where you're watching from and if you love smash burgers. In the comments say, I love smash burgers. Guys, I've been thinking about all the different ways I can make a smash burger because those Big Mac burgers were so delicious. So tonight we have more of the zero carb street style zero carb tortillas. I can't even talk. Like the little street style small. We're gonna make a chicken Caesar smash burger because we loved the smash burgers last week and we also loved the chicken Caesar pizza. So tonight we're making a chicken Caesar smash burger. I'm so excited to try it out for the first time. While we're here together, let's go ahead and make our Caesar dressing. This was so good. Ricky loves the Caesar dressing and it was so good. I thought, let me just go ahead and make another recipe with the Caesar dressing soon because I have all the ingredients. Let me grab a spoon here. All right, we're gonna use my little spoon. We're gonna start off with a half a cup of mayo. And I apologize, Ricky's helping me with dishes. I'm not gonna tell him not to, but if it gets loud, it's okay. All right, we're gonna do a half a cup of mayonnaise. Now you can use whatever mayonnaise you like. I'm using a good healthy mayonnaise. You can make your own mayonnaise, which I do have a mayonnaise recipe that we love. But you know what? When there's so many things, I'm just gonna keep it simple. And I really like this Primal Kitchen avocado mayo. Have y'all had the Primal Kitchen mayo before? Not cheap, but it's really good for you. Actually got to open up a second one. Who loves the Primal Kitchen products? If you love the Primal Kitchen, tell me your favorite Primal Kitchen product. I don't love the ketchup, but I do love the mayo. It's an avocado mayo. And the reason I love it is because look at the ingredients. Guys, it's the fewest ingredients I've ever read. It's got avocado oil. It's got organic vinegar, organic eggs, organic egg yolks, salt, rosemary extract, and mustard seed extract. That's it. So it is a really good option for a clean mayonnaise. So many mayonnaises are full of sesame seed oil or seed oils, which causes a lot of inflammation for people. So I like Primal Kitchen's avocado mayo. It is not cheap. At Walmart, it's like $7 for this little thing. You can make your own mayonnaise, guys. Me and Ricky have done it, and it's so good. But this is just faster when you're lazy. So, I mean, I'm just going to be honest, I'm lazy. All right, we're starting off with a half a cup of mayo. Use any kind you like, but we do eat as clean as we possibly can here. With that said, I've got zero carb tortillas. That is not clean. So you know what? You can't be perfect. I always like to go with the good, better, and best approach. Like I got the best mayonnaise option, and I've got a good low carb tortilla option. Good, better, best. You can't be perfect. Now you can just make a chicken Caesar salad and be done all together, but who wants that? I want a smash burger. All right, so we've got a half a cup of mayonnaise. Connie said she made the garlic butter ribeye steak bites. Oh, that sounds so good, Connie. All right, I see Michelle is on here and she loves some smash burgers. So guys, wherever you're watching from, let me know. In the comments, tell me what state you're from. We're making a chicken Caesar smash burger. So we've got our ground chicken over here ready. I'm fixing to tell you what we're doing with these burgers, but we're making our Caesar dressing. Homemade dressing is so delicious and this is so easy. We got a half a cup of mayonnaise, a fourth cup of grated Parmesan cheese right from the canister here. We're gonna add a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. And we're gonna add a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Not honey Dijon mustard, just Dijon mustard. Very good low carb option to use for great recipes that gives some really good flavor. So we're gonna do a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. If you've already had this from my recipe last week we made this homemade Caesar dressing. It was so good. If you had it already, tell me you had it. Hey, Irene, she's having tacos in New Hampshire. So we're gonna make a chicken Caesar smash burger. I know it's gonna be delicious, but we're gonna taste it out anyway for the first time together tonight. All right, we're gonna do lemon. I'm gonna do about 2 tablespoons of fresh squeezed lemon. Don't worry, I'm gonna be very careful. I'm not gonna cut my countertops. I cut it halfway and then pull it open, and this one's gonna be really juicy. All right, we're gonna do about 2 tablespoons. So you can either eyeball it, or you can get you a little 2 tablespoon measuring cup here and try not to make a mess. but I'm gonna pull it right over the top. Oh yeah, a little extra ain't gonna hurt anything. All right, we're gonna do about 2 tablespoons, and this half of a lemon's gonna be, well, sorry puppy. This half of a lemon is actually 2 tablespoons, so let me go ahead and squeeze the rest of it in there. All right, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. We had 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, a half cup of mayo, a 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan, a teaspoon of Worcestershire. What else are we missing? I think that's it, guys. We're gonna add some salt and pepper to taste. Salt and pepper to taste, and we can always add more salt and pepper. This is the thing, you do want to taste it to make sure it meets your standards for a good Caesar dressing. Hey Marie, hey Julie, I see you there, Iowa, and she has to make these, guys. Oh, they're so good. So I've never made a chicken Caesar smash burger, but I mean, there's a first time for everything. And we made this Caesar dressing last week, and it was so good. And we really loved that chicken Caesar pizza that we made, but you know what? We really enjoyed a smash burger. These little things are so good for something fast and easy. I'm actually gonna fold them over like a taco after we fry them up, and I'm gonna show you what we're doing. So this is the Caesar dressing, guys. If you didn't catch that recipe, then make sure you go back and watch this video. I might go over it one more time for you. I know I drive people crazy saying the same thing over and over, but a lot of people love it because they're writing it down. So guys, great news. You don't have to write this down. It's gonna be in this post for you. I see my mom jumping on there. Hey mom, how are you? I love you and miss you too. Colin asked me today if I've talked to you. I'm like, no. I've been so busy. Mama's having a great time in Washington, D.C. I'm tasting this. You know what I forgot? I forgot one ingredient, and I can taste it. I forgot it. That ingredient is garlic. So you can use garlic powder if you want to. I'm going to mince up 2 garlic cloves. Garlic has to go in the Caesar dressing, guys. I love garlic, but you have to have garlic in a Caesar dressing. It makes a huge difference in the taste. That tasted good without it, but no, you got to have some garlic. So we're just going to mince up 2 garlic cloves. If you want to use garlic powder, you can. Don't cut yourself like I just did. All right, we want to make sure we get all that garlic in there. 2 big garlic cloves. All right, and then we're going to taste it and see if we need to add any more salt and pepper. What all y'all do today, Mom? I'm curious. I do miss the mess out of you. All right, Mama's in Washington, D.C., guys. I'm sure she's having a good time with her 2 best friends from school and work. All right, look at that, guys. Creamy, delicious. Now, what we're going to do with this dressing is we're gonna put it inside our lettuce. So I've got 2 bags of romaine lettuce. We're gonna chop those up really fine, stir in the dressing, and that's gonna be the topping for our chicken smash burger. Let me taste this again. Get that garlic in there. Ooh, man, delicious. That right there just set it off. That 2 cloves of garlic made a huge difference. All right, let's go ahead and start cooking our chicken, because it's only going to take a minute, and then we're going to go ahead and mix up our dressing, our lettuce and dressing together. So with my skillet, I'm going to put it on pretty warm heat, so about midway on the stove top. You guys know, if you watch my video, this back eye gets super hot, so I actually have mine on lower heat, but you want to do medium heat because you want this to cook fairly quickly. We're going to take these low-carb tortillas, and I want to get this hot first. So let me go ahead and get my lettuce cutter out. I call it a lettuce chopper. This was from, I don't know, a Chef Master. Somebody gave this to me. I have no idea who gave that to me. It may have been Ricky. All right, we're going to take our lettuce while we're waiting on this skillet to get hot, and we're going to go ahead and chop it up really fine. I like it to be really fine because it's the topping of our smash burger. So you can keep big pieces of lettuce in it if you want to, but I'm going to cut mine up. So we're going to take this little chopper without the garlic and chop this up while my stove top is getting hot. And guys, in the chicken, for the burger, I used ground chicken. And I seasoned it with a teaspoon of salt, I did a half a teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon of pepper. That was just for seasoning. And then I added a whole teaspoon of garlic powder and a half teaspoon. Yes, I did a half. You can do less or you can leave it out, but I used a half teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Give it a little spice and a little kick to the dressing. Huh? Did you talk to me? No. Okay, we're talking to the dogs, I guess. All right, so we got this lettuce. We're just chopping it up kind of fine. You can chop it as much or as little as you want to. We're going to put that dressing right in here with the lettuce. And I actually have 2 bags because you know what? If I have plenty and don't need it for all the chicken, we actually have a side salad. So let me go ahead and do my second bag. My daughter's coming over and her husband Dakota. So I want to make sure we have plenty of salad. This actually is probably too much. I might have needed to double the recipe for the Caesar dressing, but if I need to, I can. No big deals. No big deal. Let me know what your favorite lettuce is. I love a good spring mix. You know, with a Caesar salad, you're going to use hearts of romaine. You're going to use a good, clean, fresh romaine lettuce. This is just cut up hearts of romaine already ready for me. I'm just slicing it up smaller. All right, guys, if you're still here and you're interested in this, give me some hearts if this sounds good. We're making a Caesar chicken smash burger. And if it sounds really good to you, go ahead and share this video and give me some hearts. And we're just chopping up the lettuce. And if I need to make a second batch of dressing to put in here, I can. Or maybe a half batch. I don't know when my daughter and husband are coming over here, but when these are hot, I'm going to be eating. All right, so let's go ahead and pour in the dressing right into the lettuce. Does that not look good, y'all? Woo, look at that. It's so good and creamy and delicious. Now, of course, last week I did this dressing with 1 bag of lettuce, and I'll tell you, it was a lot of dressing. So I think this is going to go a lot longer than I thought, a longer way than I thought. So that's a lot of dressing. Now, most people would just put their dressing over the lettuce, but we're just going to mix it all together because this is going to be our burger topping. That way you don't have just a bunch of dressing falling off the burger. All right. I don't know if that's going to stir easy with a rubber spoon, but we're going to try it. I see a big piece of lettuce. I'm taking this out. That's a hard piece of lettuce. Out. Yum, yum, yum. I can feel the heat on that oil, so we're fixing to start frying up our first burgers. And we're making a chicken Caesar smash burger, guys. Who loves smash burgers? In the comment, let me know if you love smash burgers. We made a Big Mac smash burger last week that was so good, I decided to figure out another way to make a different type of smash burger. I've already got all kinds of ideas in my head. I'm thinking turkey burgers with feta cheese. I'm thinking spicy chicken and arugula. Like, there's so many things you can do with a burger. It doesn't have to be just ground beef. I love ground beef though. All right, this looks delicious, y'all. I mean, that looks fantastic. I am gonna taste it just to see. No more, don't need any more. It's perfect, perfection. So to keep this cool, we're gonna go ahead and put this in the refrigerator because it's not gonna take long at all for our chicken to be ready. All right, let's stick this in the fridge. See if I got room. Oh, we got too much crap in this refrigerator. A little bit. Nope, that ain't gonna work either. All right, it's not gonna work. That's really good. Can y'all imagine what's happening over here in my kitchen? I just saved half my lettuce. I saved half, guys. It'll work. It'll be fine. No, get away from that, LMA. Ricky just helped me clean the dishes, and now he's going to help me clean up the floor. Lord of mercy. I just dropped all of that, y'all. Half of it. I saved half my lettuce toppings. That's okay. It's going to be great. Let's go ahead and get busy with our chicken. What we're going to do is take these low-carb tortillas, and we're going to smash in our grilled chicken, or not grilled chicken, our ground chicken. So that ground chicken, again, was seasoned with a teaspoon of teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of pepper, half teaspoon of salt, and about a half teaspoon of red pepper flakes. So we really spiced it up really good. We're gonna put this face side down, and we're gonna fry up this chicken. It's only gonna need about 4 minutes, so let me set my timer. If you cook this on really good heat for about 4 minutes, the chicken is gonna be cooked. And then we're gonna flip it over so that the tortillas can brown a little bit and get a little crusty. All right, and you're gonna wanna spread that out all the way to the edges of the tortilla. And I put oil in my pan because I didn't want there to be any opportunity for sticking. And we're making about 9 of these with that 1 pound of ground chicken. And good thing I cooked extra salad because I just told you I made extra salad for side salads. Yep, good thing I had extra because I just threw it on the floor. And with this skillet, I can get about 4 of these. 4 of these going, which is perfect because I'm cooking 9. And we're just going to let these fry up just like they are. When that timer goes off, we're going to flip them over. And then as they're hot, you can add your Caesar dressing to the top. And guys, you got a Caesar chicken smash burger or a chicken Caesar smash burger, however you want to say it. Loyalty mercy, y'all. What a mess. Did y'all hear all that? It's okay. You have to go with the flow. If you guys didn't see this before, one time I'll never forget it. I was cooking a casserole and had all the ingredients together, live video. I'm like, I bring the casserole over to the camera to show you how beautiful it looked in the thing, and just literally dropped it all over the floor. The casserole was gone. We had no dinner. And I just screamed at the top of my lungs, Ricky, dinner's ready. Like we had no food that night because everything I had in that casserole dish was on the floor. At least tonight, I saved half of the dressing. I mean, half the salad. So we still got dinner. We still have dinner. I did good, y'all. I did good. But you just roll with the punches, right? I could be all upset and stomp around the kitchen, but what is that going to help? It ain't going to help nothing. It's going to aggravate Ricky. He's over here cleaning for me, thank goodness. He's such a good man. I made a mess. That refrigerator is so full, I've got to take time to clean that refrigerator out. All right, guys, I'm going to jump off unless you just want to hang on for a couple of minutes to watch these babies flip over. Can you even see that? I'm so sorry. All I'm going to do is flip these over and let them cook on the opposite side for a couple of minutes, just until they start to get crunchy. And then we're going to take it off the heat, add our Caesar dressing, and fold it up like a taco and eat it. So I love smash burgers. You don't have to fold it up like a taco if you don't want to. You can just pick it right up. You can use a fork and knife. With our smash burgers, Ricky and I just picked them up like a little mini pizza, and we ate them suckers, and they were so good. So good. A Big Mac smash burger. So these Caesar chicken smash burgers have got to be delicious. Guys, if this sounds good, go ahead and give me some hearts and share this video. Let me check my timer real fast, and you guys might can stay on long enough to watch one. I got about 2 minutes left on my timer, and I got a mess to clean up, so maybe I should jump off. Cannot believe I did that, huh? My spoon is saved. My spoon to get the salad out of the thing. Oh my gosh, these smell so good, guys. The chicken was so simple. I just seasoned it with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and some red pepper flakes. That's it. That's all the chicken. I rolled them up like little meatballs, and then we're just pushing them into the low carb or zero carb tortillas. We'll let Ricky eat them hot. Tell me about the chopper. I really don't know. Somebody gave this to me. It says Shelf Master. Ricky, did you buy this for me, baby? For Mother's Day? Or? Yeah. Ricky bought it for me. There's a local restaurant store in town, and he'll buy me little gadgets like this every once in a while. I've used it several times. You can use any knife, though. You don't have to use that. But it is fun. It's easy just to chop. I don't know about you guys, but when Subway was doing those chopped salads, I love the chopped salads. So I would go in, oh yeah, Mom said I can just fix these again next week. Ricky will be all right. Let me get me a spatula. I think my timer just went off. All right, my timer just went off. Let's carefully flip these because this is the first time I've done chicken. We know the ground beef kind of sticks to the tortilla. Oh yes, look at that, y'all. Look at that. Hang on a minute, let me show you one. So if you want to cook them longer, you can. I timed it for 4 minutes. Let me show you what these look like. Now I'm not adding cheese. Ow, that was hot. I'm not adding cheese to this like we did the smash burgers, so I don't want cheese on my Caesar chicken. But look how pretty they are. Yep. We're just going to let these cook for a couple of minutes on this side so that the tortilla can get a little crispy. And then we're just going to pull this off the heat, add the Caesar salad, wrap it up like a taco, and enjoy. So guys, I hope that you enjoy these. I think they're going to be delicious. I'll post a picture later. And if I want to do anything different with them, I'll let you know. Otherwise, they look good, they smell good, and it'll probably be on the recipe blog very soon. So give me some hearts and share this video, and you can laugh with me. I dropped food on the floor. All right, guys, bye.